Now this third question is, we are given a set which is sigma, which is set of all complex numbers x plus iota y such that mod y is less than or equal to 1. And then we are given this function which is fz, and that is z square plus 2. Now it says, draw a sketch of f sigma which is fz for all z belongs to sigma. So that means for all the complex numbers z present in this set, we need to draw the sketch of fz. Now first we'll look at input values. Now this sigma, it contains all the values of x and y such that mod y is less than equal to 1. So when mod y is less than equal to 1, it means value of y should lie between -1 and +1. So its domain space is within these two lines, which are y equals 1 and y equals -1. So we are talking about all the points in this shaded region. Now we'll put the points from domain in this function, then it will transform into an output space. Suppose u plus iota v. So we'll write this fz as sum u plus iota v, and it is z square. Z is x plus iota y whole square plus 2. So we'll write this as u plus iota v, and it'll be x square minus y square plus 2 xy iota. Now we need to draw sketch of u and v. Now comparing real and imaginary part, we can write u as x square minus y square plus 2, and we'll write v as 2xy. Now the condition given in the question is this mod of y is less than or equal to 1. Now what we'll do is we'll begin with the boundary cases. The boundary cases which are when the value of y is 1, when the value of y is -1, also when the value of y is 0. So when the value of y is 1, in that case u will be x square plus 1, and v, it will be 2x. So we can write this x as v by 2. So we'll write this as v square by 4 plus 1. So we'll get this parabola which is v square equals 4u minus 1. So we'll take this boundary condition when the value of y is 1. We'll end up getting this parabola which is 4u minus 1. Now we'll take y as -1. If we'll take y as -1, again we'll get u as x square plus 1, and v is minus 2x. Again we'll replace x with minus v by 2. So we'll get u equals v square by 4 plus 1. So again we'll get v square equals 4u minus 1. So that is for both the boundary values 1 and -1, we are getting the same parabola which is v square equals 4u minus 1. Now if we'll put y as 0, in that case we'll get u as x square plus 2 and v as 0. In that case we'll get a ray lying on x-axis and which is greater than or equal to 2. Its y coordinate will be 0. Now what we'll do is we'll plot these three sketches. Now this is u and this is v. Now this is y square equals 4ax. So it represents a parabola opening rightwards and shifted 1 units to the right. So we can draw this parabola as v square equals 4 into u minus 1. Now second one, it's again the same parabola. And this third one is u equals x square plus 2. So in this case, u will be greater than or equal to 2 and v is 0. So I'll represent this ray starting from 2 and going towards infinity. So this is the sketch of boundary values. Now we need to find this complete region. Now we know that this u is x square minus y square plus 2 and v is 2xy. So we'll square this second equation, we'll get v square equals 4x square y square. Now in the question it says mod of y is less than equal to 1, which simply means y square is less than equal to 1. So we can write v square is less than or equal to 4x square. Now from this first equation we can write y square, it is x square plus 2 minus u, and again it is less than or equal to 1. So from here we'll write x square is less than or equal to u minus 1. So now we have two inequality relationships, which is v square is less than equal to 4x square and x square is less than u minus 1. So from these two we'll get this condition, which is v square is less than or equal to 4 u minus 1. So that means for all the points in this input space, we are getting a condition where v square should be less than or equal to 4u minus 1. So if we'll take any point, say origin, if we'll put v as 0 and u as 0, we'll get 0 is less than equal to minus 4, which is incorrect. So that means we are talking about region other than origin. So the sketch of output space is this parabola and points lying inside of this parabola. And that is the answer to this question.